Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to log into Virgin Money bank account online, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into Virgin Money bank account online on your PC, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and then the search bar, click over there and type in the address virginmoney.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Virgin Money Bank, and let's wait for it and let's accept all the cookies. And there guys, we are on the interface or the home page of Virgin Money, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the sign in button available for us. Click on that sign in button, and on this interface guys, you'll be required to choose your account type. Mine one is the current account, so guys, you can go to all of these accounts whichever is your category, from insurance to you can see guys current accounts, and I'm just clicking on the current accounts. You can choose your account type, and from over here again click on the sign in button over here, or click on the current accounts or essential current accounts. For me, it's for any account with a sort code starting or with 5 or 82, for any account with a sort code starting with 08. For me it's the 05, so let's click on this and let's click on sign in. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your username or your customer number. I'll be just using my username, and after that click on next. And on the next step, you'll be required to enter your online banking password which you had registered on Virgin Money bank account at the time of creating your account. But if you have forgotten your password or you don't know your password, you can simply click on the I don't know my password button available over here, and then you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be able to retrieve your Virgin Money bank account's password. And with that being said guys, click on the continue button over here, and then you'll be logged into your Virgin Money bank account online. And there guys, this is how to log into your Virgin Money bank account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.